Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course I just posted a video where I show you, if you wish to go there in advance, how to install the Windows 10 22H2 version. Now, how big the update is, and that's the funny thing, it's extremely small, 177 kilobytes. Yep, not megabytes, not gigabytes, 177 kilobytes. That tells you that it's doing nothing except just moving you on to the next version. That is going to be probably the future of Windows 10. Very small update once a year like that, that's just going to bump up the version number. Now, it's interesting because when I look at that and I think about, how they've moved this version of 21H2 to 22H2 with pretty much nothing new, why bother actually having a small yearly update anyways? What I would do if I would be Microsoft is add version 22H2. If you're about to do nothing else, why don't this version extend the end of support to the end of 2025 and forget about yearly updates? Just give us the bug fixing updates and the security updates, and that's it. It's as simple as that. It's a nonsense to have somebody create code to just upgrade your system without any new features. It doesn't make sense. I get it that they had to do it this time because 18-month cycle was there, but this was the occasion where they could have done it so that it's actually going to extend until the end of 2025. Yet they've preferred to do this and still have an 18-month cycle, which is kind of weird. As for the update itself, like I said, it's very small. It just bumps up the number. It doesn't change anything, so it's probably pretty safe. And it doesn't give any new features. So if you're wondering, I'm waiting for 22H2 all excited, don't be. There's nothing exciting about it. And that is why I recommend that you all wait for it to appear, when it will at the end of this year, will appear this fall on your computer, and just be a very quiet update. So here I am, and of course if there's any bugs or problems, but it doesn't seem like it. And for those that might ask, if I move on, will I get security updates? This should update every month with security and bug fixes, exactly like the other versions. So, for example, I have the security updates this month. There should be the C updates, the unofficial, but the official, but the release preview, or what is the bug fixing updates, which is something that is optional, coming this week. So I would guess that this is going to get it also this week. So really, it's as if they simply issued a little update that just bumps up the number here, and that's it. Pretty much it. So anyways, that's what it's all about. Nothing exciting, nothing fantastic. We're just moving on with what pretty much the future of Windows 10 will be. Boring, but perfect for pretty much everybody that just wants the system that works and does everything you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.